Okay, so we are at this train station in the middle of nowhere outside of Bangkok, about an hour, and got a flower in my hair.
I know, you look beautiful with it. I mean, you always look beautiful, but the flower makes it look so much, just adds to your beauty.
So we're going to board this 65-year-old train and take it 5 stops to a train market. And in the train market, we will get off and watch the train depart.
We're walking in the middle of the train tracks here. The train's gonna come through. Yep. And we're in, what's this called? Maeklong? Oh, train's gonna be coming soon. Look how close like the food is to the tracks.